Here are your top 10 evening news updates. Let's begin in Mumbai, where BJP MLA Sanjay Upadhyay praised the development of the Swatantravir Savarkar Garden in Borivali. Speaking from the lakeside park, Upadhyay highlighted the statue of Veer Savarkar as a symbol of inspiration and said the garden has become a popular public space enjoyed daily by children, youth, and senior citizens alike. Meanwhile, in Kerala, tensions escalated after violence targeting Enforcement Directorate officials. Kerala DGP Ravada Chandrasekhar confirmed that 8 people have already been arrested following the attack, while several others have been identified. He warned that strict legal action would continue against all individuals involved in the violence. In Karnataka, political attention shifted to Bengaluru, where Chief Minister Siddaramaiah arrived for a major press conference alongside Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar and Minister G. Parameshwara. Their joint appearance comes amid growing speculation over internal Congress power equations in the state. Meanwhile, in Tamil Nadu, former AIA-DMK MLA Venkatraman officially joined the DMK in the presence of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. Venkatraman said he chose to join what he described as a stable leadership and pledged to continue serving the people of Tamil Nadu under the DMK government. In West Bengal, authorities focused on maintaining communal harmony during Eid celebrations. Paschim Medinipur SP Papia Sultana stated that Eid was being celebrated peacefully across the district with strong police arrangements in place to ensure no disputes or disturbances occurred during the festivities. Meanwhile, in Uttar Pradesh, religious politics intensified as Swami Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati spoke during the Gavishti Yatra in Fatehpur. He urged voters to support governments that consider cows as mothers rather than merely animals, turning cow protection once again into a major political and emotional issue. Back in Delhi, Assembly Speaker Vijender Gupta announced the release of documented proceedings of the historic Central Legislative Assembly sessions held between 1924 and 1930. The program was inaugurated by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and highlighted the role of Vithalbhai Patel as India's first elected speaker. Meanwhile, Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced the release of over 10,000 crore rupees under the PM Awas Yojana Gramin scheme. He stated that more than 3.19 crore rural houses have already been sanctioned, while states were urged to accelerate pending construction and land allocation work. In Haryana, Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini attended a major national horticulture conference in Karnal focused on improving quality seeds and planting material during the Amrit Kal period. Experts discussed boosting agricultural productivity and strengthening India's horticulture sector. And finally, Punjab politics witnessed another sharp confrontation. AAP leader Baltej Pannu accused Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu of misbehaving with Punjab police and questioned his silence over allegations raised during recent political clashes. The war of words between AAP and BJP leaders in Punjab is now becoming increasingly aggressive. Stay connected to more updates.